Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking an extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet, we have 3 to 4 slices of ham. It's going to be about a cupful chopped up. And over here we have 6 eggs, 6 large eggs, yep. And back here we have Fontinella cheese that we're going to grate up. It's going to be about a cupful when we're done. And over here we have an onion, and we're going to slice that in half and slice it up. It's about a medium-sized onion. And up here we have spinach. It's going to be about a half a cup of spinach leaves. And over here we have our seasonings. Yep. We have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, yep, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of this stuff out of our way. Put it aside for now. Okay, we have like 6 slices of nice ham here. We're going to slice them up, chop them up in little strips or cubes. And we're going to use our setting knife. It's a Santuco knife and it's very sharp, so we'll go ahead and use it. And we sharpened it with our any sharp knife sharpener, and it's still going good. Okay. Okay, let me spin this around so we can cut it easier. We'll just go ahead and cut it into little strips like this. Alright, we can turn them this way. We can cut them again. Yep. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's go ahead and put our ham in a bowl. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put that aside for later. Now we're going to take our onion and we're going to cut that right in half. Just like that. Now you want to just chop them up kind of fine. You can leave some big ones in there if you want to, though. Okay, there you go. We'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take some of our Fontinella cheese and we're going to grate that up. We're just going to go ahead and use our box grater for that. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, let me go ahead and put that in a bowl and I'll bring you back. Okay, there you have it, guys. Our grated Fontinella cheese that we grated up. It's a little over a cup. Yeah, this is going to be cheesy. Okay, let's put that aside for now. And we'll bring back our eggs. Yeah, there's 6 large eggs there. And to that, we're going to add a little over an ounce of water. And we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings. You know, our half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a pinch of cayenne pepper, yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We're going to put them right in there. Okay, now we're going to give that a quick mix. Okay, that ought to do it. Okay, now we're going to take our chopped ham. Yeah, it's about a cupful, and we're going to put them in there. And we're going to take our chopped onion, it's about half a cup, and we're going to put them in there. And we're going to take our spinach leaves, it's about half a cup there, we'll put them in there. Now we're going to take about half of our grated Fontinella cheese, yeah, and we're going to put that in there. Okay, now we're going to kind of mix all that in, kind of fold it in. Boy, that's got a lot of cheese in there. It smells wonderful. With all those seasonings and everything in there, yeah, that's going to taste really good. Okay, that ought to do it. Now all we have to do is start cooking our delicious, extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet. Yeah, let's get started doing that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium-low, and we'll put a little oil in the pan. And we'll let that warm up just a little bit. Okay, our pan's warmed up just a little bit. Now let's go ahead and put our egg mixture in there. Yeah, that's gonna be a big omelet. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll put that right in there. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, now you can level that out a little. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and use our universal lid here, and we're going to cover that pan and let that cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Beautiful. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take some more of our Fontinella cheese, and we're going to put that on there. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let that cheese melt. Okay, let's see how our cheese is doing. Yeah, it's melting. That's good. Okay, I wonder how our huge omelet's doing here. Yep, beautiful. All right. Looks like we could probably try to fold this monster up. Yeah, let's try to do that. What do you think? I think we got him. It's a monster. I mean a monster. Wow, is that huge? Yep, I couldn't quite fold it all the way up, but it's huge. Let's go ahead and cover that and let that cook just a little bit longer. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Wow, okay. Let's put a little more cheese on top, the rest of our fontinella. Boy, is that big. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and cover it for the last time and let that cheese melt. Okay, let's see if our cheese melted pretty good. Oh yeah, okay. Now we're going to take a little bit of parsley flakes. We'll put that on top. And we're going to shut off our burner because that's done. Now all we have to do is get that out of the pan. Yeah. And give it a taste test. Yeah, this is going to be big. And it's going to taste good. It's loaded with flavor. Loaded with ham. We'll definitely load it with cheese. Okay, let's get it out of there and give it a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, here it is, guys. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Yeah, this is a big omelet. It's the biggest omelet I think I've ever done. And it's really big. That's all I gotta say. All right, let's see if we can get that out of there. Let's give it a try. Ah, yeah, look at that. Let me spin it so you can see it. Look at the size of that omelet. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's a big one. That's really big. I don't know if you can see the thickness of it, but it's huge. Yep. Okay. Now we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to the top and a little bit of pepper because we like our pepper. Yep. Well, there you have it, guys. An extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet. It's loaded with ham, loaded with cheese, has onions in there, and it's definitely loaded with spices. And it really is going to taste good. And hopefully it's just mildly hot, you know, and it tastes really good. It's going to be cheesy, that's for sure, because there's a whole cup of cheese in there that's grated up. And that's the Fontinella cheese, which is really tasty. I leave information down in the description for that. It really has a nice flavor. It's mild, creamy, and it actually has a little bit of sharp cheese flavor, which is really tasty. You're going to enjoy that. Just go ahead and make them this way, yeah, because they're really tasty, I bet you. So let's get into a bite here. All right, let's get into a bite. A big bite. No? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you see it? Boy, is that beautiful. That's an extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet right there. Definitely extra cheesy. Yeah, we're just going to have a little bite though. So let's try it out. Oh yeah. This is going to taste good. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful looking? Alright, let's just have a bite. Wow, is that cheesy. Beautifully flavored. The mildly hot spices that are in there are just wonderful. It's not overpowering at all. You're going to love this. The cheese flavor comes right on through. Yeah, very tasty. Yeah, let me spin this so you can see it better. There she is right there. Look at that. Can you see it? Yep, you're definitely going to love this. this extra cheesy, spicy ham and cheese omelet will feed probably 4 of your guests. Yeah, because you can slice it like little pies, you know, and go ahead and serve them up. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I just gotta have another little bite. Look at that. Yep. Mmm. Good.